Alright, so good day viewers. Welcome to this SPSS tutorial. Today we will be talking about testing of normalities because I will be teaching you how to test two related variables, which will be the pretest and post-test. So as you can see here, I already have my application open, this SPSS statistics data editor. And yeah, you're gonna want to do that first. Open the application, and then after you've renamed these into pretest and post-test, you're gonna want to add values to the corresponding tests. So yeah, as you can see here, I have my pretests full, and likewise with my post-test. After you're done with that, just simply click this analyze button here, hover here into descriptive statistics, and then yeah, press explore. So it only looks like this because I've opened the application earlier, and yeah, I did a run through, but normally it would look like this once you've pressed the button. So yeah, you just have to do this. Yeah, simply just like that. After, you're gonna want to press plots, and yeah, check these, it has to be filled, and okay, just wait a bit. Alright, so yeah, here in the case processing summary you can see some data, and as you can see there are 53 students for both the pretest and the post-test, and as you scroll down here in the descriptives there's more data to be found. Yeah, so here in tests of normality, so as you can see in the pretest, there is a significance of 0.023, while in the post-test, there is 0.000. Whereas the acceptable value would be 0.05. Unfortunately, both values fall below it. It is lesser than 0.05. So it makes the data not normal. So since the data isn't normal, we're gonna have to use a non-parametric test. So yeah, let's just close this. Yeah, and yeah, again, it will be the same values, same tests. You're gonna want to click the analyze button again, and here in descriptive statistics, no. Here, non-parametric tests, and you're gonna want to hover here in legacy dialogues. And here, two related samples, because like I said earlier, the population for both tests were the same. So yeah, just click this, and then yeah, you're gonna want to check this. Alright, and press OK. Yeah, so just scroll down a little bit, and there we have the values. So for a z value, it sums up to a negative 6.292 and 0.00, and again it is lesser than 0.05, which totally rejects the null hypothesis. So with that, we can conclude that there is a very strong significance between the pretest and the post-test. So guys, it is as simple as that. Yeah, I hope you guys learned something, and we hope you liked it. Leave a like, maybe subscribe, and that is all. Thank you.